Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at Nvidia's latest earnings announcement. I'll touch on the actual earnings and then let's chat about the bullish case for Nvidia and then the bearish case. Let's jump into it. Here I have a quick article from the Wall Street Journal. Let's read just the details of the announcement first. The chip maker, which has gone from a niche video game component supplier to a $3 trillion enterprise in just a few years, put up another round of strong results Wednesday. Its now dominant data center segment increased revenue to $26.3 billion, more than 2.5 times what the business generated a year earlier. Adjusted operating income for the quarter more than doubled year over year to $19.9 billion. Nvidia's overall top and bottom lines beat Wall Street's targets, as did the company's forecast for the current period ending in October. Okay, so I think the only fair way to read this is that the amazing run that Nvidia has been on is continuing and shows no signs of slowing down, which is great for Nvidia. Let's make the case for why AI innovation is going to continue. First, the advancements we've seen over the last 2 years have been very impressive technically. We've seen technology being able to generate very compelling text, images, videos, sound, and even have human-like conversation. While none of these are new capabilities, there's been a dramatic leap forward in the quality of the competence of these new technologies. Further, based on these advancements, we're just now seeing tens of billions of dollars being poured into the arms race with the world's greatest technology companies. It seems very likely that these investments in new specialized hardware and algorithms are going to pay off with even greater capabilities. Additionally, we're still on the early part of the adoption curve. With the introduction of Apple Intelligence later this year, the use of AI by the mainstream is just getting started. So that's why you would say the future for Nvidia is bright, it's only going to go higher. AI is not overhyped. All right, so let's make the AI bearish case for why the boom is going to end. Well, first and perhaps the most obvious, we've already seen a boom and bust cycle with AI technology many times before. We've already seen two so-called AI winters that lasted for many years where investment dried up and innovation pace slowed down dramatically. We've been down this road before and we know where it ends. Additionally, these so-called amazing new capabilities aren't actually new and they aren't impressive. Google's AI was telling people to put glue on pizza, not impressive, and people will start to figure that out. Does everyone remember when self-driving cars were just around the corner? Does anyone still believe that? Clearly, automating driving is more complex than many thought. It'll get here eventually, but not on the timetable that many predicted. And lastly, perhaps most importantly, the economic structure of delivering AI services is different from previous software-based models. Every single time AI is used, there's a pretty significant computation cost, the so-called cost of inference. In traditional Silicon Valley business models, there is virtually zero marginal cost for delivering software. To be fair, that changes a little bit with software as a service, but it's still basically true. However, with AI, there are massive computational costs with every single prompt, and I don't think companies know yet if they will be able to generate the margins that they are accustomed to. So that's the bear argument. Which is correct? It's tough to say. I tend to lean towards the bear argument, but surely the future will be somewhere in the middle. AI is not going to go away. Development will continue. Surely it will transform our lives over time, but probably not overnight. And what does that mean for Nvidia? I think the hype around AI is really at a peak right now, and it doesn't seem to me that the pace of innovation coming from AI companies is keeping up with the amount of hype or investment. So at some point in the next, say, 18 months, I think the massive growth that Nvidia has been experiencing is going to start slowing down. And the second that happens, you will see the air come out of the balloon and the stock will take a hit. Now, it's not going to drop back to where it was 2 years ago. It's still a great company with a great future, but I don't think any company can live up to the hype that AI and Nvidia currently have. So what do you think? Drop a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.